In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to score GoDaddy promo codes to help you save on your domain purchases, getting you one step closer to launching your website or blog at a fraction of the normal cost. Firstly, it's important to note that there are several coupon and deal websites surfacing on the internet, TechRadar and Coupon Dunya being among the reputable ones. By merely searching these sites, you can find the latest and active GoDaddy promotional codes. These helpful websites are regularly updated to feature lists of active promotions, ensuring you are able to seize the best possible savings. Additionally, you might want to explore the option of partner links. Some trustworthy sources offer special partner links that work to your advantage. When applying these links, the lowest available price will automatically be applied at your checkout. This means you can save yourself the inconvenience of personally tracking down a suitable code and entering it manually. There is an excellent YouTube video that explains this in greater detail if you need a visual guide. Subscribing to GoDaddy's newsletter is another substantial strategy to secure exclusive deals on your GoDaddy purchases. Once you're signed up, expect to receive special offers and promotional codes straight to your inbox. The amazing thing about this is that these offers are primed for subscribers only, which means you have the privilege to those savings before the general public. Remember to also check out the official GoDaddy promotions. Like any other business, GoDaddy displays some of its promotions on its own platform. It'll be wise to regularly keep an eye on this segment of their website for new offers. In particular, if you've shopped with GoDaddy before, make sure to visit their Renewal Codes webpage. You may find rare discounts tailored precisely for returning customers like you. Lastly, your quest for GoDaddy promo codes might lead you to their customer support. Especially if you're eyeing a discount on renewing your domain, contact GoDaddy support. Their well-groomed staff often have access to specific offers applicable to your account, offers that are not always publicly advertised. It could be worth your time to do that quick inquiry. So there you have it, folks. With these methods in mind, you're well equipped to find the best GoDaddy promotional codes and enjoy cost-saving benefits while developing your online presence.